In today's video, I'll show you how to clean your Windows 10 C drive and free up storage space safely. If your computer feels slow or you keep getting low disk space warnings, this simple cleanup can make a big difference. Let's start with the quick and easiest method using disk cleanup. First, click the Start menu and type Disk Cleanup. Open it, then select Local Disk C and click OK. Windows will scan your drive and show you a list of files you can remove, such as temporary files, recycle bin files, and system cache. Check the boxes for the files you want to delete, then click OK and confirm by selecting Delete Files. This safely removes unnecessary files from your C drive. Now let's move to a more powerful option using storage settings. Open Settings, then go to System and click Storage. Here, you'll see how your C drive space is being used. Click Temporary Files, review the items, and select what you want to remove. Then click Remove Files to clean them up. Next, let's enable Storage Sense to keep your drive clean automatically. In the same Storage menu, turn Storage Sense on. Click Configure Storage Sense and choose how often Windows should delete temporary files and empty the recycle bin. This helps prevent your C drive from filling up again. Finally, check for unused apps. Go to Settings, then Apps, and open Apps and Features. Sort apps by size, select programs you no longer need, and uninstall them to free up even more space. And that's how you clean your Windows 10 C drive and keep it running smoothly. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.